Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Deb of Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More. Welcome back if you're returning. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, and I'd appreciate any likes and comments. I love to read your comments. As I'm trying to grow the channel to 1,000, I want to be able to do live streams with you and maybe bring you more content at that point. So help me grow to 1,000. Okay, with that said, I am it is June 3rd as I'm filming this, and I have two sort of mystery design kits from Softflex. I'm going to do them in separate videos because one is for the Great Bead Extravaganza, which is happening the 11th, 12th, and 13th of June. And Softflex will be sharing this thing didn't print very well, but theirs slot in the Great Bead Extravaganza Facebook group will be on June 12th at 1 p.m. Pacific or 4 p.m. Eastern, and they will be demoing this kit. So it's not called Lakeside, it is called Midsummer Market. It's Lakeside at the Midsummer Market in Milwaukee Bay. Alright, so let me open this up. I can see on the label, I mean, this kind of gives you a hint as well as this does, and it says the Great Bead Extravaganza. This is kind of cute, and here it says June 12th for a fun jewelry making demonstration, and then we're supposed to post our makes in the Great Bead Extravaganza, no, in the Softflex VIB Studio Facebook group, same place we do the mystery design kits, along with the hashtag Lakeside. So I'm looking forward to this. I haven't done this. Now maybe they're expecting you to make along, but I'm gonna make it ahead and maybe save some things to make along with them. I love this sort of navy tissue paper. So this is very laid out, very similar to their regular mystery design kits if you're not familiar with them. I love getting them, and ooh, aren't these pretty colors? Okay. Okay. So we have satin silver beading wire. That doesn't look like satin silver. That looks like denim blue lapis. It's a dark blue. That's interesting. I'll have to ask about that. Let me see what it says on here. Where does it say? Blue, dark blue. It just says dark blue. So there is a labeling issue on this, but yeah. I'll scratch. You know what? That won't work. Let me get my marker. That's interesting. I like the dark blue because I was kind of looking at it thinking, I thought I read dark blue. That's not going to stay either. Anyway, you know, it's dark blue. I'm pretty sure it's the dark blue lapis color. And yeah, it just has a mislabel. Alright, let's get the rest of this stuff out of here. Okay, so we're supposed to have, I always open this first. Uh-oh. I need my my little tool that takes the staples out. What did I do with it? Oh no. Oh no. Well, I'm gonna have to use my nails. Yikes. This is why my nails get ruined, because I do stuff like this. I have the staple remover thing. Okay, so you get crimp beads. You usually get about 20 in these kits, and these are the sterling silver 2x2. Love those. And silver plated ear wires with a ball, and looks like 4 of those. And then we have 2, 3, 6 of these head pins. Yay. Okay, ball and head 22 gauge. Yeah. And antique silver plated toggle clasp, 12mm. And I'm sorry, lobster clasp. And then we also have a toggle clasp. Oh, this is the toggle clasp. It is a antique silver plated Anna's toggle clasp. It's small. That'd be nice for a bracelet or something. Then we have Tiara Cast silver plated 3/4 inch ring. That's really nice, double-sided. And we have the North Star charm, 2 of those silver plated North Star charm. And we have, it doesn't say 2 of those, but I got 2, and 2 Tiara Cast silver plated anchor charms, also nice and double plated. All right, now let's see what else we have here. We'll put all the charms and things over there, and the clasps as well. All right, now 8mm green aventurine coin beads. That would be these. They're pretty. I just used green aventurine in a bracelet, but it was for the I used it in the last bracelet I made for the renewal kit, but they were from the bargain bead box from 2 months ago, I think, but they were rounds. These are coin beads, very nice. And then check glass blue leaves. They're definitely like a pale shimmery blue. They have a little bit of a lustery kind of finish on them. Pretty. And then check glass 3x5mm faceted rondelle, 4 colors. Okay, so we have the blue that goes with the leaves, sort of this pale green. This is more of like an olive green, and this is like a clear, just, I don't know, grass green or regular green, a pale green. Really pretty together. Very pretty. And also then this check glass bead mix. So I'm going to move these up here. Those are nice. I always like the check rondelles, faceted rondelles. Always pretty. Check glass is wonderful. Oh, we have a lot of clear in here. Ooh, nice big nugget. I'm thinking that every one of these is going to be different. This is unusual. It's like a twist bead, but the hole is through the middle. Now that's sort of like a potato chip. I don't know if we have a couple of them or not. Yes, we have several of those. They're like a wave. They're different. A lot of clear rounds, and it looks like 2 sizes of them, maybe 10 and 8mm. It looks like to me. 2, 3, some blue hearts. They're like blue and white pale hearts. These are little flower spacers. The hole goes through the middle, so you can use them like a spacer bead. They're pretty. I like them. Excuse me. And there's quite a few. Excuse me again. Here's another wavy bead. So there looks like 4 of those. Okay, so this looks like 6, 8, and 10. It looks like there's I don't know. It looks like maybe 7 8mm so far, 3 6mm, and 2 10mm. Nope, 4 6mm. Maybe there's another 8mm too. I'm not sure. And another wavy bead. So we may find even more. This is like a little. There's a name for these, but I forget. It's like a bow tie bead almost, or hourglass. Different. The hole goes this way through. Then there's some green. We have like a green olive, 2 faceted rounds, and a couple of these. I don't know what shape these are. They're not a round. They are faceted. And we have some. Here's another one of those, but in a lighter green. And another one of those. And here's another lighter green. Nope, that's even a different shade yet. And we have some one-off type beads here. Like a little, almost like a dome or a bell. This is another one of the light green. And then there's some little ovals. I'm going to put them over here. Oh, we have some blue shells. Love those. And there's several of those. And let's see, a dagger. Just two of those, two daggers. I'll put them over here. Another one of these. I don't know what that shape is called. It's sort of, I'll bring it up closer so you can see. And they're like green and white and translucent. I don't know if you can tell the shape, but there are facets all over the edges. So I don't know what exactly that's called. We have a blue dome as well, and 4 of the shells. That's awesome. And some clear sort of a little tiny cube. There are some other cubes in blue. Here's some blue and white sort of bicone beads. They're kind of pretty. I like them. And some ovals. Lots of different ovals here. Oh, started to put them over here. Alright, let's put all the ovals over there. They also have an unusual color. There's another one of those. One second. Sorry about that. My kitty was having an issue. And we have these little barrel beads. Here's another one of these. Blue barrel beads. And I don't know. A couple little green bicones. And green light pale green tube beads. There are a couple, I think they're diamonds. They're not, yeah, they're like a diamond shape. And they're 2-hole. Another little bicone type thing. This is like a round tube. I thought I had another one of those. They're different colors though. And this is a square bead, but it's a flat square and the hole is through the top. I don't think I've ever seen those before. And then we have a couple, I'll call them piggy beads or lentils. Probably lentils is the better term, and they're in clear. They're like a clear AB. Now this square is 1 hole going through, and it's a blue. So my oddball blue ones will go over here. There's a flower star shaped bead cap in blue. And a green single hole, I want to call it a peanut bead. Put that over here. Another one of these. Where did I have that? Sort of a green bicone. Clear goes over here. And this is a little green oval. Another green bicone. A green round. Here's another little oval. I don't know if you're able to see those. Let me move this up a little bit. Here, some green ovals. This one I only found one of. A green, actually a mix of cubes. Let me just put all the cubes here together. Looks like we have 2 of these blue ones. And 2 of these little blue ones. But I don't see the big green or whatever. And this is like a tube oval too, but it's a matte color green. Put that with the ovals. 2 of these little blue, light blue, white rounds. And a couple like mini, well, one is like a peanut, and I guess they're peanut beads also. They're little blue ones. And 2 little rounds in blue. Another one of these pale blue. Another one of those bicones. Here's another tube bead that's a matte. It's sort of like this one. They're like matte tubes. I have this unusual blue. The oddball beads are over here. And this is a darker green bicone, but I don't see any other ones like that. And this is a bicone also. Where did I put them? Here, I think. And I am not sure. That looks like a tiny little bicone too, but it's an oddball one. And that's a blue round and a blue tube. So these are all odd ones. These are pairs. Oh, we have 4 of these round tube ovals. This is a cube in clear. And then we have a bunch of, well, these are little rounds in clear. And then these are all matte, frosted, like a tube, round tube bead. So unusual mix. Yeah, but pretty. I really like these flowers and the hearts and shells, and all these will be very pretty. It wasn't what I was expecting. I was thinking dark blue rather than like a pale blue. So shame on me. Surprise, surprise. I maybe should have known, because the blue on here is a lighter blue, but it's got the dark blue, which is like the beading thread, right? Beading wire. So I may just do a separate video sharing my Great Bead Extravaganza, TGBE, the Great Bead Extravaganza makes from this Midsummer Market kit by Softflex. And yeah, it looks like it'll be a lot of fun. So I'm looking forward to it. Alright everyone, I will talk to you again soon. Thank you for watching.